Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In this video, we'll be forming polynomials given the zeros of the polynomial. We have an example on the board. It says find all quartic polynomials with zeros 2, 1, minus 1 over 3, and minus 1 plus or minus root 5. So we have the four roots of the polynomial, and now we are asked to form that polynomial. It's quite easy. Solution, what we need to do, so the polynomial is in x, so we say so the roots are s equals to 2, then x is equal to minus 1 over 3, s again is equal to minus 1 plus root 5, and then s again is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5. Okay, so we have these four roots. So this is plus or minus, so we have separated it plus or minus. So from here we know that x minus 2 is equals to 0. When we take this here, we have x minus 2 equals to 0. From here we have that 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. That is, if we take 3 here, 3 times s gives us 3s equals to minus 1. Minus 1 comes here, you have 3s plus 1 equals to 0. And then here we have that s is equal to, s plus 1 minus root 5 is equals to 0. And then lastly we have that x plus 1 plus root 5 is also equals to 0. Okay, so therefore we have that the polynomial p of s will be equal to, now remember this is a factor, so you now have x minus 2. This also is a factor. This is 3x plus 1. This also is a factor, which is x plus 1 minus root 5. And then this also is a factor, which is x plus 1 plus root 5. Alright, so we have all these four factors. And then we can continue by saying this is p of x equals to x minus 2, 3x plus 1. You can decide to expand and get all the terms, but I will not be expanding. I'll just write them in products of their factors. So we have this and this, but I want to make this a little bit fine, so I'm going to expand this. Multiplying this by this, we are going to get s squared plus 2x minus 4. So this one will get if we expand this and this, just these two terms. So when you expand, use x to multiply everything here, use 1 to multiply everything here, and use minus root 5 to multiply everything here. Collect like terms and solve. You're going to get this this term here, this factor. So this is the polynomial with the roots or zeros 2, minus 1 over 3, and minus 1 plus or minus root 5. But then they ask us to get all quartic polynomials. Okay, so therefore final answer, we can put a letter at the front to represent any number. Let's say a bracket s minus 2, 3x plus 1, and x squared plus 2x minus 4. So for any number with a not equals to 0, so for any number, this polynomial is going to give us these roots. So for this case, it's a special case where a is equals to 1. We're still going to get this root. If a is equals to 2, we're still going to get this root. If a is equals to 3, we're going to still get this root. If a is equals to 4, we're still going to get these zeros. As long as a is not equals to not equals to 0. So this is how you basically use the zeros of a polynomial to get the polynomial itself. Okay, so you can decide to expand and write out each term of the polynomial. It's not a problem at all. Okay, but I've decided to leave them as product of their factors. All right, that will be all in this video. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.